homework 6, assignment, video should be, uh, our first one, I believe, doing JavaScript. So at the beginning, I just started the portfolio data, and then so just start inserting stuff. I did personal info, which is the first one we were supposed to do. So I guess my name is Zachary Macmillan, my NAU email, my regular phone number, and then where I'm located in the school at Flagstaff, Arizona. And then we were supposed to insert the personal info into the portfolio data. So that's what I did. And then going to skill section, the assignment or the whatever, the first step, I guess, was to create the two arrays. So I did that, the technical and the soft skills one. I wouldn't say I'm proficient in HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, but those were the original placeholder ones. So I kept those in, although I'm currently learning them, obviously. And then Java and Python is something that I would consider myself more proficient in from earlier classes in computer science, which both of those have helped me, especially with this assignment for loops and wow. Um, and then the next assignment was to combine the arrays using the concat method. So that's what I did to make the arrays one and then alphabetize them using the sort and then adding the skills to the portfolio data. Um, so this is the education section of the code degree cybersecurity, which is what I'm currently studying here at Northern Arizona University. Field of study, I guess assume the closest one is computer science. So I kept that in there from the original placeholder and then the graduation year 2025. And then the next part was to create an empty education section array. So that's what I did. And then we needed to have the three objects in there using a loop. So they just created a quick loop and then sorry. Um, I know we had to use the assign and push method, so I put those in there as well. And then just like before, inserted the education into the portfolio data. For projects, I don't really have any projects to use, so I just included the dummy placeholder ones. So everything in here is um, kind of just from the assignment. And then sorry. And then we had to do the exact same thing from before. Do the three projects for project prototype at the front of the array using while and the unshift method. So I use while this time and assign and unshift. And then we added that to the portfolio data as well under the name projects. And then for the experience section, I wouldn't call it exactly experience yet because I haven't started the internship, but it will be starting over the summer. It's at Taylor Morrison as a database operations intern. So just put my information in there. And then the same thing again as the two others before, the three objects um, for the prototype. And at the front of the array using assign. And then I think we could use any control statement in the unshift. So I just did four because I'm more comfortable using that. And then assigning unshift as well as in there to meet the requirements. And then just like before, experience section, and put that in as experience. And then for the media links, this is probably the more difficult part, at least for me. I'm not too used to this part of the code. Um, so I have my LinkedIn URL, which should be working. And I don't have like a Facebook or Instagram, like professional one, I guess. And then the resume one. And then I know we had to filter the links based on their true. Um, Pretty sure this is correct, but I'm not 100%. And then printing the portfolio data information, which should be correct as well. And that is the end of